This giant citrus fruit is bigger than a grapefruit and better for your body than you think. Pomelo is one of the biggest citrus fruits in the world. It looks like a giant grapefruit, but tastes sweeter and milder. This fruit is low in calories and full of vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. Let's look at its benefits, nutrition, and possible side effects. Rich in vitamin C. Pomelo is one of the richest citrus fruits in vitamin C. Just 1 cup of pomelo provides more than the recommended daily amount of this essential vitamin. Vitamin C helps strengthen your immune system, allowing your body to fight off infections like colds and flu more effectively. It also plays an important role in healing cuts and wounds by supporting the repair of body tissues. In addition, vitamin C helps your body produce collagen, a protein that keeps your skin firm, healthy, and youthful. Eating pomelo regularly can help boost your overall health, support faster recovery from illness, and reduce your chances of getting sick, especially during the flu season. Good for heart health. Pomelo contains potassium, which helps control blood pressure. It also has antioxidants that protect your heart from damage. Some studies show that citrus fruits like pomelo can lower bad cholesterol levels. This makes pomelo a smart choice if you want to keep your heart strong and healthy. Helps with weight loss. Pomelo is naturally low in calories but rich in fiber and water, making it an excellent fruit for people trying to lose or maintain weight. Because it is filling, you can satisfy your hunger without consuming too many calories. The high fiber content slows digestion and helps keep your stomach full for a longer time, reducing the urge to snack between meals or overeat at mealtime. In addition, staying full for longer can make it easier to control your daily calorie intake. When combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise, eating pomelo can be a healthy way to support your weight loss goals. Supports digestion. The fiber in pomelo isn't just good for weight loss, it also helps your digestive system work smoothly. It can reduce bloating and keep your bowel movements regular. Some people even use pomelo to ease stomach discomfort naturally. Boosts immunity. Along with vitamin C, pomelo has antioxidants like flavonoids. These compounds protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. A strong immune system means your body can fight off viruses and bacteria more easily. Possible side effects. Pomelo is generally safe, but it can interact with certain medications, especially cholesterol and blood pressure drugs. This is similar to how grapefruit interacts with medicine. Eating too much pomelo can also cause stomach upset in some people. If you take medication regularly, it's best to check with your doctor before adding pomelo to your diet. Pomelo is a simple fruit with powerful benefits, from boosting immunity to supporting your heart. Try adding it to your diet and enjoy these benefits naturally. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more health tips like this one.